Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air suspension, rear, power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, running boards, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, fog lights, power brakes. Come take a test drive today.